Hey, welcome to Zach's Tech Turf. Today, I'm giving you guys the video you've all been asking for, and that's benchmarking the $70 GT 1030 in a super budget build. And yeah, I benchmarked 15 games for you guys, so let's get into it. First, I want to let you guys know that I already fully reviewed and benchmarked the GT 1030 in a separate video. In that video, I benchmarked the card with the super high-end system so that we could see the full potential of the GPU, and I highly recommend you guys also check that video out. A ton of you guys commented on that video and on my Instagram and Twitter at zachstechturf that you wanted to see the graphics card in a super budget build because let's be honest, people that buy the $70 GT 1030 are most likely going to put it in a budget build. Real quickly, before getting into the benchmarks, let's go over that budget build, which is our testing rig for today. I actually have a full video of this build, which I'll link in the upper right and in the description. It's rocking an Intel Core 2 Quad Q9400 clocked at 2.6 GHz, 4 GB of DDR2 800 MHz RAM, an OEM motherboard, an EVGA 430 watt power supply, and I'm installing the games on a 120 GB cheap AirEye SSD because I definitely don't want to wait for all these games to install on the slow hard drive that's also in there. So with all that out of the way, it's time to do some benchmarking. But first, make sure you guys check out exactly what settings I used for each game because not every game will be in 1080p. I'm going to show exactly what settings I used, and these are what I think are the sweet spots and the settings you should game at. One more thing, the footage that you're about to see is going to be way slower than the actual results that I got, so just keep that in mind because when you're recording gameplay on a super budget build, it takes a lot of system resources to record it, so I would recommend just look at the quality of the graphics of the game and then look on the right hand side for the actual results that I got. Well, that wraps up my benchmarking video for the GT 1030 in a super budget build. This video was 100% created because you guys requested it, so make sure you keep letting me know in the comment section what you want to see next. I'm definitely listening. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like down below to help support my channel, and as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more Zach's Tech Turf videos.